I was part of HISD's ACP program and just ended up here and immediately knew it was the right choice, right campus. It's been great.
Support is at the heart of Memorial Elementary. English and Social Studies teacher Jimmy Purdon says that support helped him grow in his first teaching role and earn this year's Campus Teacher of the Year honor.
It was definitely not a sink or swim situation. There were really, really good mentor teachers here on campus, the very first teacher I worked with, and then other grade levels, and we just really partnered up. They made sure everyone succeeded. The leadership is always helping, and then being in the ACP program at the beginning also really, really helped because my coordinator with it, she was very hands-on, would answer any questions, and we still talk on a weekly basis, and that was 3 years ago now.
And that support doesn't stop in the classroom.
I do a lot to support the students. So first, I am on the rotation, so I teach social emotional lessons to our pre-K through second grade students weekly. And then for our 3rd through 5th graders, whatever our character trait of the month is in the counseling department, I'll go in next door in Mr. Young Media, and I will teach the SEL lessons to our 3rd through 5th graders as well.
School counselor Sabrina Reyes also created a space designed with flexible seating to help students feel at ease.
We could do it traditionally, the traditional therapy, sitting on a couch, laying on the couch, talking this way. The kids love the beanbag. There's a
it's very tempting not to
yeah,
just go
I know. There's a trampoline right in front of it, and they like to jump from the trampoline onto the beanbag and sit there. I just wanted to make sure that I had a space where everybody felt comfortable when they came in here.
From teachers to counselors to students, Memorial Elementary is building a culture where everyone feels supported every step of the way.